morning, welcome to the vlog. This is our last beach day at Panama City Beach. So hopefully we can make the most of it. It seems like the kids are a little bit swimmed out, but we're heading to the pool. We're gonna enjoy this shady time and then we'll see where it takes us from there. So I think these kids are all watered out. This is what's going on right now. Big man just went back to the room to see if he could find something fun to do. So although this beautiful pool is sitting here and the ocean is right over there, they're tired of it. I am enjoying the shade and reading a book.
I am too.
Yeah?
I'm reading Smile.
You're enjoying the shade and reading a book?
Yeah, I like reading comics when I'm on vacation. Because why not?
It's easy. Yeah. Oh, there goes Sunshine. Maybe she's going to enjoy the pool. She's lonely. She wants someone to play with. What'd you find to play with?
A car.
You brought a car? So the boys are chilling in the room and the girls are out at the beach for our last afternoon on the beach. Have fun.
Thank you.
That is awesome.
It was going to be better, but now we have to leave.
Yeah, we ran out of time. It's very beach art. I love it. It is the evening of July 4th, guys. Starting tonight, we are having some dinner at Bayou on the beach. Should be some Cajun beach food. Then we are going over to the Barberettez house for some little fireworks. Then back to the beach for the big fireworks show. We're really excited for this Independence Day celebration.
No America.
Mommy, if somebody rams somebody, their tires will pop?
Yes. Do you like those?
No. What if you crash into somebody's car?
We failed at coming early to dinner. Probably not the best idea on the 4th of July because a lot of people are out. We've got a half an hour wait ahead of us. This is what we're doing. Hey, did you guys know you were twinning?
We're twinning? Yes.
Twinning, I love it. It's true. So we've got oysters here. Some of the kids are trying them.
If I'm trying it, the girls have to.
The girls will be trying something, yes. You ready? Come on. Hey, chew it. Chew it up and then swallow. Come on.
I can cut this.
Chew. Chew. Swallow. Swallow.
I'm sorry. You don't like the sauce? You want some ketchup or something? Do you love it? Here, he probably needs a cracker. All right, little girl, you ready?
Chew. Don't just swallow it. Chew, okay?
Is there any bones?
No bones. All right, now swallow.
You like it? Oh, yeah, don't eat the shell.
I got a lot of that.
Oh, you did? Oh, you did. Oh, Daddy. Sorry. Round 2 is Oyster sampler. There is Rockefeller and cheese and jalapeno and bacon. And then, what was it called? Get 'em boys shrimp or something. Something that's like Bang Bang shrimp and it looks amazing. What you trying? What'll it be? What'll it be?
I would like to pass.
What's this called, Mommy?
Oyster Rockefeller.
Big bite.
Yeah, that was really good, huh? Boudin shrimp sandwich. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Is this the bunk bed? Wow. What? Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so who sleeps on the top?
Gracie.
Gracie does. Who sleeps in the middle? Kate. Who sleeps on the bottom?
Me.
You. That's, oh, I love it. And you got storage for your toys. This is the best bed I've ever seen. It's even better in person. Do you like it? Yeah? Do you wish you had a triple bunk bed?
Yeah, so I could like switch it up.
Me too. I wish I had a triple decker bed too. Okay, give me the tour one more time because that was super cute.
Cherry cake, apple pie, key lime pie, and blueberry pie.
What do you recommend?
Key lime pie and cherry pie.
Cherry.
And ice cream.
Of course. Are you guys ready for some fireworks?
Yes.
Yes. Are you ready for fireworks? All right. But
You really should just sit in that or
like the fireworks?
Yes.
Yes, let's say thank you.
We left our friend's house and now we're at the pier back at our hotel and we're gonna watch the fireworks here now. But 2 fireworks now. Yay!
Yay! Oh, you can see the other pier too.
Is the other pier behind us?
was your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part of the day was dinner. It was amazing, and fireworks. I love fireworks. I love America. Go America. And hopefully, wherever you guys are from, you guys have some patriotism also. It's good to be proud of where you're from and to love your traditions. And I love the 4th of July in America. What traditions do you guys have? And what traditions do you guys love? That's my question.
Ready, set, 1, 2. When I say go, we're gonna scream. When I scream, but we're gonna go. Say go America.
Okay, 1,
1,
2,
2,
3. Go America!
What is your favorite part of today?
Probably spending time with my family.
Watching the little fireworks show.
At our friend's house with the Barberettez? Yeah, that was fun.
My favorite part was the fireworks show. That was really, really fun. And I also really liked just a day in general. It was a really fun day.
Well guys, it is time to say goodnight. My favorite part of the day was the fireworks, both the ones with our friends and the big ones at the beach. It was so fun to celebrate America. I love that song, I'm proud to be an American, and every time it comes on, my heart just swells because I am so proud to be an American and so grateful for the freedoms that we have. And I'm grateful for the opportunity to have a day set aside that we can remember to celebrate our freedom and that it came at a cost. I'm really glad you guys were here today. Make sure you come back tomorrow. We will be driving back to Georgia. We'll see you then. Bye!
Make sure you like, subscribe, and do your day to the Go Americans! Woo!